Okay, guys, it's really interesting because, I want you guys to subscribe to me. Press subscribe and look at some of the things that I've been putting up as far as my garden is concerned and stuff like that. I'm telling you guys, I have so much good stuff. I got watermelon. Oh my goodness. You guys know that's top on my list. So I got a bunch of those. I got the gray one that is all green. The whole thing is all green. And I'm telling you, they are growing really big. So I have some of you guys who are going to be coming and you're going to be getting one. And it's going to be exciting for me because I like to share. So just come on out and grab your watermelon. When I tell you that it's ready, it's probably going to be ready in probably about the end of August. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I actually lost the first batch because of the weather. The weather was really messed up. I'm saying messed up because usually it's really hot. And so I planted it in April. And what I tried to do was to make sure that I planted it early so then it would be ready at the end of July. But this particular time, the first ones that I did plant, they died. And so then I planted some new ones and they are beautiful. They are beautiful. They are actually in my backyard and they are growing so big. Just can't wait to show you how big they're growing and that you're going to be all the people who already called me saying I want one and they texting me and stuff like that. They know I am so giving that you could come and you can get your watermelon and you can enjoy it. But I got lots of squash, lots of zucchini, lots and lots and lots of tomato, and oh my goodness, my grapes are just humongous this year. And so I just can't wait to pull those off and eat them. My husband did try them and he said, oh, they taste pretty good. And he said they just need to stay just a little bit longer, just to get a little bit sweeter and stuff like that. And oh my goodness, I have not tried them as of yet, but I'm gonna try them. But my big thing right now is that watermelon. So what I want you to do is come on over, come get you one when I tell you. I'm saying August. At the end of August, they should be ready, and then I'm gonna let you pick out the watermelon that you want. I'm not gonna pick it out, not this time. Usually I cut it and pick it out and bring it to you. You coming to me. This time you're gonna come to me and you're gonna enjoy picking yourself a nice watermelon out there. And so I think that is gonna be a blessing to be able to share. Me, I'm not trying to make any money off of it because look, when I plant one seed, I get bunches and bunches of watermelon. So I don't even have to say, okay, it's gonna be $5. Okay, it's gonna be $10. We're family, and family takes care of family, and so that's what we do. You give out your watermelon, and you just really enjoy it and have a good time. Now, what I really would like to give away too is that zucchini and that squash, because this year, I don't know. I said somebody to change the weather here because usually it is so hot. But this year, it has been very comfortable. It's been raining almost every other day. I haven't had to go out to water the watermelon like how I usually have to do. I said, I wonder who changed the weather, And I said, okay, this is just a blessing from God, and I'm going to take the blessing because I like the fact that I don't have to go out there and pull the hose and water it and all that because it's been raining every day. It rained today. I mean, we didn't get a whole lot of rain today, but it did rain here. And yesterday, it came pouring down. So my watermelon and my squash, my zucchini, my grapes, my tomatoes, all of it is getting lots and lots of water that I didn't have to put that up. But I'm telling you, it has just been a blessing to know how to do, to be able to plant your own stuff and to be able to actually benefit from it, that I don't even have to go to the store and buy it, that it's already here at my house. And like my friend, I'm going to give her some of my green tomatoes. She's so happy about that because she keeps saying, where are my green tomatoes? And so when I get to work on Monday, I will be bringing them over to her because we work together. She works upstairs for me, I work on the second floor, and so we see each other quite often. Sometimes we go to lunch with each other and stuff like that. So I'm gonna bring them so she can fry her some green tomatoes. And I'm gonna tell you, I like fried green tomatoes. Some people don't, but if you make some really good like a mixture that once you already fry the tomatoes and everything like that, fix it up nicely. It's like when I do eggplants, I fix it up so nice that my husband, he's like now like, oh my goodness, what did you do to that? And I'm like, all I did was just do what I'm supposed to do with it, and I fry it right, and I batter it, and I mix the stuff up really nice and everything. This last time we had some, I was like, oh my goodness, it was so good. It was so good. So that's what I'm gonna do with her. I'm gonna say, okay, let's do this fried green tomatoes. I'm coming to your house, and because we're real good friends, and so because we're good friends, we share like that. Like she may buy me lunch, I may buy her lunch. She jump in my car, we go someplace, and I'm telling you, it has been a blessing. So when I think about all the friends and stuff, I think about just come get you a watermelon. Come and get you some zucchini. I want to give the zucchini and the squash away because I have a whole lot. Believe it or not, I've already cut them and put them in the freezer and stuff like that. But I got so many more that it's just coming. I don't have the bugs this year killing off the zucchini. The zucchini, if you see the leaves are huge. And then it makes you almost scared to go in there thinking that something's in there that's going to bite you or something like that. But I shouldn't have any snakes in there because I got it in a garden. But you never know. Something could find its way in there. I don't know that. So I'm a little bit nervous to actually stick my hand in there. So now this is the funny part. When I go to get the zucchini, I look at it and I say, oh, I'm gonna give you a couple of more days. When I give it a couple of more days, it is huge. I probably should take it off right then and there and just eat it from there. But oh my goodness, I got some right now that's on my counter that it is so big that I'm going, oh my goodness, what to do with this? And so what I'm gonna do is I'm have me some fried green squash. It's gonna be really good because I believe it or not, I like it. Back in the day, I didn't like squash or zucchini, but now I like both of them. And then I've been like trying to watch what I eat, try to make sure that I don't overeat and eat sugary food and stuff like that. Been trying to eat the way God has planned it for us to eat, because some of us end up becoming diabetics from some of the stuff that we eat. And I'm telling you, I'm real good at it. I want a Snicker bar, I want something, but I'm like, no, I'm taking care of myself. And so, believe it or not, when you take care of yourself, you do what God asks you to do. And so I said, okay, so anybody want some zucchini and squash? Please feel free to come get some, because that plant is not going anywhere this year. Last year, the bugs killed it. So, but it's still sitting out there. Got lots and lots of good food that you go pick up at the store. But now, you can get it out of your backyard. See, when you see all that corn and stuff growing, believe it or not, it comes to your store, and you eat it as if it's the best thing in the world. But sometimes when you plant it outside, you think about it, go, maybe next year I'll eat this. It's the same corn that's in the store. It's the same tomatoes that's in the store. It's the same broccoli. It's the same zucchini. It's the same squash. All of that is the same, I promise you. So try to grow some of that stuff, because I'm telling you, it is like, woohoo, exciting to see. It's exciting to eat. And it's just a blessing to be able to get that kind of stuff. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys a whole bunch of my watermelon that's growing. I'm gonna show you a whole bunch of my zucchini and squash. I'm gonna show you guys the tomatoes, the cucumbers. That's what I forgot. I have been able to grow cucumbers this year. I probably got about 10 of them right now in my refrigerator that I'm sitting there saying, okay, what do I do with these right now? Because I want to eat them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make mean green, and I'm going to use those cucumbers in the mean green because the mean green is so good. And then it actually helps to make you healthy and to help you to be able to lose weight. That's what you want to do, especially if you're a diabetic. You want to be able to learn to lose weight, because once you learn to lose weight and you actually exercise and everything like that, then you're able to actually you end up not being a type 2 diabetic anymore, because you have exercised it. You have exercised your body to get to that point of losing, to not have that on you, because you want your sugar level to be low. You don't want it to be high where you lose your eyesight. You lose a leg, an arm, some fingers, some toes. I'm telling you, for me, I am working it out, because I do not want to be like that. So nevertheless, guys, I'm going to show you all of my fruit and vegetables that I have, and I hope you love it. And so come on back. Don't forget to do what? To subscribe to me and to like what I'm saying, because it actually helps you when you're able to subscribe. So please do that. And here comes the watermelon, the squash, the zucchini, the tomatoes, the not the carrots, because I haven't showed you the carrots, but and the grapes and the watermelon that I love. Ooh, I love the watermelon. So watch out for that, guys, and don't forget, subscribe to me. You guys have a great day. Take care. May the Lord bless you. Bye.